Why enlarged prostates are so common among men as they age? It's a question that's troubled many, and the answer is often shrouded in complex medical jargon. But what if the solution was as simple as a seed? As nature's tiny powerhouses, seeds can pack a punch, and there's one in particular that may hold the key to prostate health. Intrigued? Good. Stay tuned as we dive into the step-by-step process of using this seed for prostate shrinkage. The seed in question is known as the pumpkin seed, a powerhouse of essential nutrients. This humble seed, often overlooked, carries an impressive array of benefits, particularly for men's health. Pumpkin seeds are rich in a variety of nutrients that are known to support prostate health. One of the key nutrients is zinc, a mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy prostate. In fact, the prostate has one of the highest concentrations of zinc in the body, underlining its importance in prostate health. In addition to zinc, pumpkin seeds are also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can often be a contributing factor to an enlarged prostate, so incorporating foods rich in omega-3s like pumpkin seeds can be a beneficial step in managing prostate health. Now that we know why pumpkin seeds are beneficial, let's move on to how you can incorporate them into your diet. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet is easier than you might think. They're versatile, delicious, and can be added to a variety of dishes or even eaten on their own. Let's start with salads. Sprinkle a handful of these seeds over your favorite salad to add a delightful crunch. They give a nice contrast to the softness of the leafy greens, elevating your salad from ordinary to extraordinary. What about smoothies? Absolutely, pumpkin seeds can be a great addition to your morning smoothie. Just toss a spoonful into your blender with your favorite fruits and vegetables. Not only will they add a nutty flavor, but they'll also boost the nutritional value of your smoothie. If you're a fan of baking, pumpkin seeds can be easily added to your bread or muffin recipes. Just mix them into your dough for a delightful surprise in every bite. And of course, pumpkin seeds make a great snack on their own. Roast them in the oven with a pinch of salt or your favorite spices for a quick and healthy snack. But the most important thing to remember is consistency. Including pumpkin seeds in your diet isn't a one-time thing. It's about making them a regular part of your meals and snacks. So, go ahead, experiment with these seeds in your dishes and discover your favorite way to enjoy them. Remember, consistency is key. Make pumpkin seeds a regular part of your diet and note the changes. To summarize, here's what we've learned about using pumpkin seeds for prostate health. We've discussed how prevalent the issue of an enlarged prostate can be, often affecting men as they get older. This common issue can lead to discomfort and frequent bathroom trips, impacting one's quality of life. However, we've also discovered that nature has provided us with a simple and effective solution: pumpkin seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with beneficial nutrients like zinc, which is known to be essential for prostate health. They also contain phytosterols, compounds that have been shown to reduce the size of the prostate gland. Moreover, pumpkin seeds are a rich source of antioxidants that combat inflammation, which is often associated with an enlarged prostate. They also offer other health benefits like improving heart health, boosting your immune system, and even enhancing your mood. But knowing about the benefits of pumpkin seeds isn't enough. It's about making them a part of your daily diet. We've discussed various ways to do this. You could start your day with a handful of raw pumpkin seeds, or sprinkle them on your salad for lunch. You could blend them into your smoothie, or even bake them into your bread. There's no strict rule here. The goal is to incorporate them into your diet in a way that suits your lifestyle and taste. Remember, consistency is key. It's not about consuming a large amount of pumpkin seeds in one go, but about regular daily consumption. As with any dietary change, it's important to start small and gradually increase your intake. Also, while pumpkin seeds offer numerous health benefits, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you're experiencing severe symptoms or you're unsure about adding pumpkin seeds to your diet, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider. By consistently incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet, you can take a proactive step towards maintaining prostate health. Remember, your health is your wealth.